So now friends, in this video we will in the last video we have created an employee table, and this time what we will do, we will update salary of Mahesh here. Like if we have a salary 60,000 and if we want to update that to 70,000, like we want to change that, so how we can do that? So for that we have to write a command here. We go here and write update, and after writing update we will write the name of our table, which is your employee, and then I will set salary equal to, this time I will change it to 70,000, where so we want to change the salary of Mahesh and his ID is 1. So we will take ID as 1. So we will put here EMPID, employee ID equal to 1, and just close this. So now we have updated our salary of an employee Mahesh whose ID is 1. So I will just select this and just update it. So it's not run, so we have to check where is the problem. Select table, update this command, no database selected. So before that I have to select a database. So I will say use ABC, and then I will use this ABC, and after using this ABC I will update this. So now we have updated our salary, and if I will select this from ABC employee and run this, so you will see that our salary is changed. The next thing we will do is, like if we want to add another column to our table, like age, like we have an first employee ID there, first name there, last name there, salary there, and we want to add another column. So what we can do here, so for that we have to use an alter command. So for update, to change, and alter we use to change. So we will type alter table employee. I will just write the same here, employee, add age int, integer. So what I have done here is I have add another column to our table with the age, which is integer, and just run this. So now we have added another column to our table, which is age. And if we want to add data in this table, what we can do here, we go to update employee. So then again we have to update employee here. So I will just copy this and put it here, and put it here, update, and in place of salary I will put age, and here I will put like age is 28. Then I will put where employee ID equal to 1. So first we have update this one, and let's see whether we have updated it or not. So it's not updated. We have to check unknown column employee ID. So we have to check where is the problem. So we haven't put I here, so I think we have to put the I here. I will just run this. So here ID should be ID, it should be ID. Then I will run this. So it's running now, and if you will select this first one and run this, so we will see like we have updated our age here 28. Similarly we can add age here also and here also. So what we can do, I will put it here 2, then here I will put 2, change the age, and just run this. Next time I will put here 3 and change the age to 30 here. So this week we can update it, and we have updated. Now if we will select our table and see, like we have updated all our ages. So this way what we can do, we can update our table in MySQL.